Have you ever thought, I wish I learned about money and the stock market when I was younger? Or maybe, why do so many of us miss the chance to learn about money when it matters most? Well, that's exactly what inspired us to create the Time Travel Trading Academy. Imagine your student not just learning financial skills, but living them, traveling through time, witnessing history's greatest financial lessons, and making decisions right alongside my son, Zane, an ordinary high school freshman with an extraordinary journey ahead. At the Time Travel Trading Academy, students learn alongside Zane, from budgeting to taxes to trading the stock market. The curriculum is self-paced and designed to fit into busy after-school schedules or homeschool routines, with flexible, self-paced modules that take only 30 to 45 minutes to complete. Through interactive video lessons and hands-on activities, students apply what they learn immediately using industry-leading tools like the Interactive Brokers mobile app. With $1 million in simulated trading capital, they research markets, make real-time trades, and manage portfolios. Gamified challenges keep learning fun with badges and power-ups. As the final project, students join Zane in a real-world trading competition. Together, they apply everything they've learned, researching markets, making trades, and managing portfolios in a high-stakes, simulated environment. Top performers have the chance to win real money trading accounts and other exciting prizes. All your student needs is a computer, tablet, or phone with internet access. Everything else is included. Tuition is only $259, with payment plans available. The Time Travel Trading Academy is more than a program, it's a journey. Deadline to enroll is January 5th. Go to tradechologyjunior.com and apply today to give your student an unforgettable opportunity to thrive in their financial future.